Sarv Sanat Sepahan company, as the first simultaneous producer of polymer, composite, and metal parts of car body in Iran, has started its activity in 2003 at the site number 1 located in Sejzi Industrial Park of Isfahan with a surface area of more than 50,000 square meters. By producing polymer parts, and in the next years, this company expanded its activity in domain of production of more than 250 kinds of car body parts by launching the polymer and metal parts painting lines, composite and metal parts production line, establishing the production lines of all kinds of engineering compounds consumed by the company. It became the first simultaneous producer of polymer, composite, and metal parts of car body in Iran. In order to supply all kinds of the parts required by the automotive companies as soon as possible, this company established its site number 3 on a land with an area of 34,000 square meters in Paran Industrial Park of Tehran, and in the first phase, 6,500 square meters of the site went under operation, and in the development plan, the second phase of this site measuring for 40,000 square meters is under execution. The net unit of the company enjoying the CNC, turning, and spark machines and the design software used in the automotive industry, as well as the data received from R&D unit of the company, is responsible of designing, production, and maintenance of all kinds of the mold required by the production units of the company. The raw materials supply unit, which is constituted of domestic and abroad supply units, by reviewing the requests and supplying the high-grade and high-quality raw materials such as the engineering compounds, paint, and sheet metals from domestic or international markets, submits these materials to the laboratory for confirmation. After supplying the raw materials required by the units, the private laboratory of the company, benefiting from equipped systems and in line with the world's up-to-date standards in automotive industry, having received the confirmation from the method unit of Subco company, having achieved the quality management stationing standard ISO TS and a B-grade certificate from Subco company, issues the confirmation of using the tested raw materials after testing and examining all kinds of the compounds, paints, and sheet metals. The plastic injection unit is the first established unit of this company in Isfahan site number 1 and in Tehran site, and by benefiting from the injection machines in work tonnages of 138 tons to 2,700 tons, that unit can produce all kinds of car bumpers and the accessories thereto. The polymer parts painting units of Isfahan site number 1 and Tehran site enjoy one of the best equipped, all mechanized lines in Iran. These units can paint more than 5,000 car bumpers in a day. The production line of metal parts benefiting from the hydraulic and mechanical press machines with a capacity of 160 to 1,250 tons produces all kinds of fenders, car hoods, and rocker panels for all kinds of the cars. The composite parts production unit, by producing SMC sheets used in the cars and benefiting from 630 to 1,000 ton press machines, can produce all kinds of car fan trays according to the automaker's standard. After production of all kinds of the parts, the quality department, comprising the quality guarantee and quality control units, with collaboration of the laboratory unit, and by using the up-to-date systems and testing all the produced parts, confirms that only the high-quality parts are delivered to the customers. The Sarv Sanat Sepahan, with more than 50 active agents throughout the country, has one of the greatest car body part supply networks. This company endeavors to be the pioneer in automotive industry in Iran, just like before, but benefiting from specialized manpower and up-to-date machineries. Sarv Sanat Sepahan.